Dude, if you stab a cereal box, are you a serial killer?
Yeah, for sure. If you do the Cocoa Puffs or Lucky Charms, I'll come after you myself. But any other cereal, you're doing this world a favor.
Bro, when you're talking, you can't breathe out through your nose.
What? No way! Barneyism. Dinosaur. You're right!
Neil A. Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. Neil A, spelled backwards, is alien. You don't need a parachute to skydive. You only need a parachute to skydive twice.
Mom? Yeah, hi, love you too. Mom, how many times did Jimmy say he's planning on going skydiving later? Once, not twice. When he's done, can I have his PlayStation 5?
Mirrors don't break. They only multiply.
Nope, not gonna fall for it. You just want me to get in trouble with Mom. Nope.